Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to delete all of your chats on WhatsApp at once. So let's get started. First, we're going to start off by going to our settings. We're going to do that by clicking on the icon in our bottom right corner. Next, when we're here, we're going to select chats. That's located right above notifications and right below privacy. And here in the last section the last option we have is delete all chats. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And in order to delete all of your chats, you have to enter your phone number and then you have to click on delete all chats. So keep in mind, by deleting all of your chats, you will delete your message history on this phone and you will delete all sent and received media. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!